Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, staying home, staying safe. So guys, I do have a new spoiler to show you for the BoxyCharm May Premium Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for Ipsy Spring 2020. Thank you so much, Susan McCormick. Susan says, thanks, Mandy. Love your spirit. Oh, Susan, that is just the sweetest, honey. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I hope you're doing good, honey, and I really appreciate you coming by to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell, try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive in to this madness. Now again, this is for the May BoxyCharm Premium Box. So we already know a couple of items that are going to be in there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you those. And then the last thing is the brand new revealed item. So first up is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And then next up is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. And then we have the Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara. And then we have the Skin & Co. Eye Cream. And last but certainly not least, and guys, this is the brand newly revealed spoiler. This is the Smashbox Cosmetics Eye Trio. Now, of course, shades may vary. There's probably going to be a different shade selection that they're going to be handing out. So as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Dover Girl 19789. Dover Girl says, love your spoilers, you're the sweetest. Dover Girl, thank you so much, honey. That makes me feel so good inside. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube always unsubscribes people for no reason at all. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.